calm down. You can't play with the lamp. You need to calm down. What are you playing with, Connor? For everyone who knows, Connor is cranky today. Sorry, for everyone who doesn't know, Connor is cranky today. And that fit you just saw was because I took my lamp away from him because he decided it needed to be on the floor. And after I told him no multiple times, he screamed at me and started unplugging it and ripping it out of the wall. And I confiscated it and put it in my room, and he was mad at me. Oh, the joys of mommyhood. I think Connor has the worst temper of all 3 of my kids. He's being okay right now. Hopefully this lasts. And out.